morning, Scots. Welcome back to this year's Scots Weekly. I'm Kim.
Hello, students and teachers. I'm Bree. We have some announcements for today.
First, for any students who are interested in the academic decathlon, be sure to come by Building AA for more information. Our first meeting will be on a Monday, September 11th at 8 in the morning in Building AA or during lunch in Building AA.
Second, if you haven't purchased your ASB sticker yet, don't you want to get into all the games all year long for free?
Be sure to stop by the finance office to purchase your ASB sticker for only $25, and you'll get discounts on campus and free entry to all KHSD athletic events.
Third, College Night is happening next Monday, September 11th at Mechanic Bank from 5 p.m. till 8 p.m.
Now, it's time for a break.
Hey Super Scots, do you ever wonder where to get all your books, your student IDs, and where to chill before, during lunch, and after school? Well, you can do all of this at the library. For example, you can come here, read, and cool off. Like this young gentleman right here. What are you reading?
Reading this M&M book. You should come check it out at the Highland Library.
Exactly, where you can check all of your books out. You can also come here, chill, listen to music, and sleep in the quiet corner of the library. Check out these guys. Look at that silly Billy slipping. At the library, you can even come to the computer lab and finish any missing assignments and start working on anything you need to work on. While at the library, you can even meet one of our fantastic librarians. Who are you?
Hi, I'm Carlin, the librarian.
At the library, you can come to this career center, get a work permit, scholarships, and even a college application. Scots, don't forget to come to our good library, and don't forget, Plaid up.
Welcome back, everyone.
Now to our sports teams for some information.
Hello, Scots. It's time for some sports. I'm Peter Parra.
And I'm Sarah Uribe, and we have a lot to talk about.
First, we will talk about the sports happening this week at Highland.
Tuesday, September 12th, volleyball versus Tehachapi in the gym, 4 to 9 p.m. JV girls tennis versus Independence at the tennis courts, 4 to 7 p.m.
On Wednesday, September 13th, there's JV girls tennis versus Chavez on the tennis courts from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m.
On Thursday, varsity girls tennis versus Centennial on the tennis courts, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. The football team is 2-2 after beating Cesar Chavez last night, and the next game is away at Porterville on Friday night.
Here's an announcement about esports.
Planning on showing off your skills in esports this year? Visit 11D with Mr. Zavala to talk about joining the team. He will give you more information about it during lunch starting today and next week.
That's all for sports.
It's time to go back with Kim and Bree.
Thanks for that information.
We have a special reporter who will be going around asking students, yes, you, some questions.
Take it away, Savannah.
I'm Savannah.
The summer weather has been crazy.
Check out the weather for next week.
What's up, Scots? Welcome to the weather segment. Let's start off with Monday.
For Monday, we got a high of 96. For Tuesday, we got a high of 95. For Wednesday, we got a high of 93. For Thursday, we got 91. And for Friday, on our coolest day, is a 90.
And that's it for the weather for next week. And remember to check your weather app on your phone for any updates.
Thank you for the weather report.
Remember, if you want to see behind the scenes, videos, projects, and updates around Highland, be sure to follow our Instagram page at HHS_VideoPro.
You can see videos like this about the rally from last Friday.
Predator or prey, knock him out, knock him out. Predator or prey, predator or prey, predator or prey, predator or prey. Knock him out. Hey.
That's it for today.
And always remember to
Plat up.